What's up, nail crew? I'm going to show you guys today how I turned a decal fail into this beautiful mani. And this beautiful blue that I started with is called Frost Moon from Sun and Moon Dips. The first thing I like to do when I'm applying a decal is I like to go, if I'm using white underneath the decals, I like to go and apply my white dips first. This way I can go through, top it with clear and activate it so that I don't contaminate with any other colors when I'm doing the rest of my mani. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm going through, I do my 2 dips of white and now I'm dipping my clear, and then I'll go in and activate it and then move on to the rest of my mani. So everything was going well here, no fails yet because I hadn't started the decal. I'm going through applying this beautiful blue color to all my nails. It's Frost Moon, like I said, from Sun and Moon Dips, and I saw this on my friend Erin and I was obsessed with this color. As soon as I saw her post it, I went right to the Sun and Moon website and bought this, and of course, you know, a couple other dips jumped into my cart as well. I didn't used to like blues. When I first started dipping my nails, I bought a couple pinks, a couple purples, and I thought, oh, I don't ever need any more dips. That was, I refuse to count how many dips I have now. I pretty much wear any color, especially if it's a company that I like. I will be a million times more inclined to try any color they make because I know the quality is good. So here I'm going through and I'm finishing my second layer of dip, and I'm gonna top it with clear and activate that. And everything was going really well at this point. I'm activating my nails. Well, that I almost ran out of activator, but luckily I had enough to finish my mani, and I buffed, I shaped, I did that off camera. And now I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna get my decal out. So I got these beautiful decals from Coco Decals. And I thought, oh, I haven't used my Maniology base in a while. I'm gonna do a tutorial on using Maniology sticky base to apply decals. Well, okay, I applied one layer of Maniology, and then you can see here, I applied a second one because for some reason in my head, I was thinking that you have to have the decals, or I'm sorry, the sticky base really wet. I don't know why I thought that. That is not true. When you're using Maniology sticky base to apply a decal, it just needs to be tacky. It should not be soaking wet. I don't know why I thought that. Probably because I'm super forgetful. You guys will hear me say this a ton of times on my channel because I'm so forgetful. So I was trying to go through and push the decal down and with acetone on the orange wood stick, and I was trying to get it to lay nicely and, you know, really like stick down, and it wasn't going on. You can't tell as much on the video here, but it just wasn't laying correctly. And I knew something was wrong, but I didn't really want to know it was wrong. So I just kept trying to go through and get the decal to work. And as you can see, it was not. So I thought, oh, let me just get a buffing block and see if I can try to buff the top of it off. And nope, that wasn't, I mean, it kind of worked, but it wasn't really, as you can see. And then I ended up just, it peeled right off. And then I remembered, oh no, I was not supposed to leave the Maniology sticky base completely soaked like I did when I applied the waterslide decal. So this is my fix part. I went to my tried and true method of using gel base and gel top coat to apply my decals. I applied a layer of gel base, flash cured it for 10 seconds, and then applied my waterslide decal after it had soaked in the water for about 15 seconds, and then I placed it on a stamper and squished it onto my nail like I like to. I'm pushing the decal down with my orange wood stick and acetone, and it is actually sticking correctly how it's supposed to. It should have worked with the Maniology sticky base. This was entirely user error, and this is why I thought I wanted to start this nail fails and fixes series, because I know me, I know myself. I do a lot of really goofy things when I'm doing my nails and in life in general. So I want to share with everybody all the fails you can do on your nails and still end up at the end of the day, you can fix them and end up with a set of nails that you really love. So I went through, I finished getting the decal to stick, and I fully cured that then for another 20 seconds. That decal cured really well. And then I went through, applied another layer of gel base, fully cure that for 30 seconds, and then wiped it off with isopropyl alcohol so I could fix up my shaping a little bit. So that's what I'm going through and doing there. See, I didn't really need much. Then I wipe it off again with isopropyl alcohol. And I thought, well, since I already did that nail with gel base, I'm just gonna do all my nails, do my top coating with gels. So I go through and I do gel base on all of my nails, making sure that I cap my edges. And then I'll fully cure the gel base layer for 30 seconds and then go back with gel top coat and fully cure that for 60 seconds. As always, you want to make sure before you fully cure your gel base or gel top that you cap your edges with the gel as well. This helps keep it from peeling. Here's my fail to fix mani. And if you'd like to see another tutorial on how to properly do a decal with gel liquids, click on this link above. Thanks, nail crew.